We picked this city partly because this community is so committed to preparing people for the jobs of today and tomorrow.
You know you're at an event worth attending when you have this many people jammed in and there's still so much buzz, things happening, booths open, activity humming. Every one of you is a part of this community in some way, shape, or form.
Grow with Google is a way for Google to reach out and give back to the community.
Google brings tools for job seekers and those who are wanting to improve their skills.
We got a wonderful growing tech scene here in Louisville. Alphabet and Google Fiber have been tremendous partners for us, so this is kind of a next step to have more reach to more people.
People really need to take advantage of opportunities like this. Even if they might not have a burning desire to be in the world of tech, I think that anybody can come and just have such a great takeaway for their own experiences.
I'm excited.
I attended some of the workshops. They were amazing, very informative, and I can't wait to implement those strategies for my business.
I love Google. I use Google products in my classroom, and I'm really interested in the coding classes that were offered today.
We're going to go through what is computer programming. We're going to go through what you can use it for.
Google Cardboard is really exciting for me. I'm in West Louisville and I work with kids, and I'm pretty sure that none of them have seen something like that.
For some place that I've now made my home, it's really nice to see that people are taking an interest, and Louisville's going to continue to grow, and we're not going to stop anytime soon.